Good morning and happy holidays. You got Thanksgiving coming up. You've got a couple other holidays, and then you got Christmas coming up. And then you know, 2020 is almost here. So you have to ask yourself if you still have bad credit, or if you need your taxes done, or if you have issues with the IRS, or if you have debt. If you have so much debt, do you realize that you could get 70% off your debt? Now, I'm going to talk about that too. We also do debt settlement. What that is we go after your creditors and we demand up to 70% off on your current debt. Now, this lowers your debt so you won't have to pay as much. There's people out there that's paying their debt and they're paying the whole amount when you don't have to. Legally, you can pay up to 70%. Or no, you get a deduction of up to 70%. So stop overpaying. Talk to me and we can set you up. Now that service is $99. We go through all your bills. We see what can be deducted, what kind of bonuses you get from that. Now we also do taxes. A tax is a flat rate, $195, which is great because you have companies charging hundreds and hundreds of dollars, taking out your rebate. Why? Why are you doing that? Listen, use your brain. $195 versus a couple $100 or more. There's some people call me and say, "Hey Lorenzo, I paid $700 on that shit to get my taxes done." Stop overpaying. And then there's some systems. There's software that says, okay, well, you owe 600, you owe 500, you owe 700, you owe 800. It's bull. It's a load of bull. That's what it is. Stop overpaying to get your taxes done. Stop overpaying to get your credit repair done. There's people say, "Hey Lorenzo, I just paid $1,000. I just paid $2,000 when I could have came to you and got it for $199. What it is that people take advantage of your situations. My company is here to make sure your situation gets better. You're going to need, listen, if you're doing credit repair, you should not pay over $200 unless you got a great package. And even if you have a great package, you shouldn't pay over $500. Listen what I'm saying, because you have to pay debt. You got to get a secure card. You might have to get a trade line. So that's going to cost money. Then you got your bills. So you're going to need a lot of extra money to make sure you get to your goal. This is why we charge discounted prices. A lot of people say, "Oh, I don't want to go with Lorenzo because da 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 da." But guess what? If you went with me, and guess what? The same people that say that wind up coming back. I got a customer that's been saying that for a whole year. Finally, she calls me. She says, "Lorenzo, I realize I messed up. I got to come to you." She paid 3 people, and they didn't do a thing. She said, "Lorenzo, they didn't do nothing." She said her score dropped 100 some points. So she came on board, and after I said, "What package do you want?" She said, "I want something that's what it's going to get me this and this and this." And so what I did was I did something special for her. The first day she applied, I did what you call a super sweep. She saw results the first day. She said, "Lorenzo, I can't believe it." She said, an hour after we hung up the phone, I saw results. Now you're wondering, how is that possible? There's certain measures that companies can take to speed up the process. So, and guess what? It didn't cost her an arm and a leg. She paid the same rate, $199. Unfortunately, there's no payment plan for that package. The Super Sweep is fast. It basically takes off multiple items. And it's very successful. Now let's talk about the IRS. The IRS is coming at people hard this year. They're really going to people's bank accounts, taking people's homes, because people have massive debt. But don't be fooled. There's lots of programs that you can get into that will protect you. File disputes. You need disputes. If you need help, don't wait, people. Do not wait, because they'll come after you hard. I mean, I have clients now. They went into their bank accounts. They're trying to take their homes. I just blocked the IRS from taking some lady's home. So don't be fooled. They will. You call them. You say, "Oh, I'll just call them and make a payment." Listen, that's good if you're going to make a payment plan, but don't estimate them. Don't wait until the last minute. Most people wait till the last minute. They procrastinate. Don't do that. The IRS is not going to wait for you. They'll start immediately. Another thing, listen, we talked about taxes. If you need that, listen, if you need tax preparation, you can text me 610-470-8992. If you need credit repair, you can text or call. If you need debt settlements, you can text me or call me 610-470-8992. And our credit repair website is www.kirby'screditrepair.yolasite.com. Also, drop shipping. We also do drop shipping packages. And we also do small. We have an IPO coming up soon. Actually, in December, it's going to cash out. It's $2 a share. You get an extra share free for every share you buy. If you're interested in making up to $13,000, it's a great opportunity. Get in now. The minimum you can invest is $250. We give you the website, and we also give you the share code. And yeah, like I said, it's great. I'm actually in it. I have 6,000 shares. But like I said, you can check it out. There's a video you can look over, and you can look over the information. Like I said, if you need credit repair today's the best day to get in. We have a partial sweep, full sweep. We have a super sweep. So, and they're all the same. Well, the full sweep is $2.99. The partial sweep is $1.99, and the super sweep is $1.99. Now, I know you're saying, "Well, why is the super sweep?" Because the super sweep is discounted because it's brand new, it's discounted, and we try to keep all our prices affordable. We also have Credit Repair Classic, which is only $80. The Credit Repair Plus is $99. These are flat rate payments. Now, if you're getting debt settlements, you have to have all your bills. Make sure, because when we contact these consumers, I mean not consumers, but we contact your creditors, we have to have the account numbers, to make sure that they agree to the terms. Thank you and have a great day.